How are you all, guys? I hope you all are doing great in your life. I hope you all are fine and sane. Today in this video I'll be solving the assignment of Introduction to Programming with Matlab. I have done till week 6 and I've done the first assignment of week 7 as well. So if you didn't watch this videos, then you can check it out. I'll put the link of that playlist in the description below of this video. So I hope after the ending this video you will watch it out as well. Okay, so I'm now solving the second question of this week, which is a while loop. So let me, it's opening in the new tab till the time. Okay, it's been okay. Here you can see we have to write a function which is next prime. Next prime that takes a scalar positive integer input n. Okay, use a while loop to find the and return k, the smallest prime number that is greater than n, and feel free to use the built-in is prime function number and some examples runs here. Okay, to give us after 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so let me write this function. Let me open new tab here. What is the function next prime? I hope I am writing the next prime. Okay, I'll put the n is equal to this, and at the end it taking 1 as a scalar number input m. So first m is equal to m plus 1. Okay, it will after this number we have to set the prime number. So I will increase the number by 1. So let me while till that time we can use the is prime operator. Is prime. What it returns? If the number is prime, then it will return true, otherwise it return false. Then m, it takes input m. Okay, if it is not, then what number is equal to plus equal to 1. If it is there, then return m is equal to m plus 1. Okay, let me this one and the function as well. Let me run this. Okay, it's been saved now. Clear it. Okay, am I done something? Incorrect use of assignment operator to assign column 11 of 4. Okay, I'm writing the C++ function. I forget. It might happen to everyone. Okay, let me clean the screen. Now let me run it again. I think it's fine now. I'm is equal to m plus 1. Okay, everything fine now. It is not returning the n. N is equal to, okay. Now to what it should return 3. It is returning 4. So why should I do this? If it's done, then it should return 3. Okay, after that if we 8, then it should print 11. Okay, it's working fine now. Copy it and paste it out. Now run the test case here as well. So it's working fine now. Let me submit this. I hope it's an easy one. It will definitely pass all the test cases. Yeah, it has been passed. Let me post this code to my GitHub repo. Week 7. Week 7 while loop. Okay. I think I've done something mistake here. cd cd week 6. Let me go to week. Okay. cd.ll cd md week 6/what next time to week 7/ now git add star git commit minus some corrects oh git post okay git post I think now it has been successfully pushed to this repo. Let me see, let me go to week 7. Yeah, you can see you can access my code from here as well. I'll put the link for this repo in the description below. You can watch it out from there as well. So hope it would help you. So thank you so much for watching this video and have a good day.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna